Hello friends, welcome back to Squally. So our today's topics under Java 8 streaming API, intermediate and terminal operations. So what is intermediate operations? So intermediate operations are the operations which take stream as an input and produce another stream as an output. For example, a map, filter, sorted, flat map, these are the intermediate operations. So if we see the definition, it is a lazy executed and returns a stream as a result. Hence the various intermediate operation can be pipelined. So when we apply intermediate operation on a stream, it produces another stream, and on this resulted stream again we can apply intermediate operations, and this way we can pipeline intermediate operations. And why it is called lazy executed? Because it is not executed until we apply the terminal operations on a stream. So let's see some examples of intermediate operations. So first see the map. So what map can do for us? So map is a intermediate operations which can apply on a stream and can produce another stream with equal number of objects. So guys, in which situation we can apply map? So wherever we have to process each and every objects of particular stream or a collection, there we can apply the map method. For example, if we want to increase the salary of each employee of an organization, so we can process each employee object and increment the salary and get the resulted collection. Here I taken an example of integer list. On that integer list I created a stream, and on that stream I apply a map method. So map method take a function. So I provided a function which scaring each value, and in result it is producing another stream with the scare value of each source list. So if we see the definition, it is an intermediate function. It returns a stream. So here it returning a stream. It applies given function to each object of source stream. Like here, this function is applied on each object of source stream and gives a new stream with equal number of objects. So we got the new stream of equal number of objects. Let's move to our next method. So filter. As its name suggests, what filter can do for us? So when we apply a filter on source stream, so it filters some objects of that source stream into resulted stream. Like here we were having the 4 objects. So out of 4, 3 has been filtered and create a resulted stream. So where we can use the filter methods, the situations where we want to filter some of the objects, like if I take the example of organizations where we want to be filter the employees whose salary is greater than 10,000, so we can apply a filter method on the collection. Here I taken an example of integer list. So on that integer list I have created a stream using stream.method, and on that stream I applied the filter, and under filter we have to pass a Boolean condition. So on this on the basis of this condition, this filter perform operations and give us a final stream with filtered objects. So if we see the definition, filter method, it is an intermediate function, so it returns a stream. Like here it is returning a stream, and it applies Boolean condition. Here it is applying a Boolean condition and filter the source stream objects and gives the final stream with filter object as per the condition. So like here we get 3, 5 and 4 as per this condition. So let's move to our next method. sorted. So as name suggests, what sorted can do for us? Sorted basically short the source stream. So here we taken a stream with unsorted objects. If we apply the sorted method on this stream, so it gives a resulted stream with sorted objects. So now this stream is with sorted objects. So if we see the example, like we taken a integer list, and on that integer list we create a stream, and on that stream we applied the sorted, and we get the sorted stream list. So if we see the definition, sorted method is used to sort the stream, and we can do ascending sort, descending sort, or customized sort using comparator interface. Let me show you by code example also. So let's quickly see the code example of all these three intermediate operations. First I want to show the sorted. So here I have a list of integer value. On that list I have created a stream, and then I applied a sorted method. So this sorted method will produce a stream. On that stream we apply the collect method, which is a terminal method. So anyhow, terminal method I will tell you in my upcoming video. And this collect method, terminal method, will collect the resulted list into the variable, and finally we are printing here. So what this sorted method will do, it will sort these value. Okay, so these value is already in sort. Let write into unsorted manner, like 6, 5, 4, 3, something we can have. Okay, and if we want to, so as this is a default sort, so it is a ascending sort. If we want to do the sort in descending order, so we can tell like reverse the order by using comparator interface, or we can write a function also using functional interface or lambda syntax uh, on the comparator interface. So if we will execute all these sorted example, first it will give ascending order, then it will gives reverse order, descending, and again like this is the descending order implementation, it will also give the descending order. Let me show you the result. So it is ascending order. If you see the result, like it is ascending order, and this is a descending order. By using reverse method or by using a functional interface implementation using lambda expression of comparator interface. Let's see the map example. So I have applied the map method on the same stream. So here we pass the implementation of functional interface as a lambda expression. So if you don't know the lambda expression or functional interface, see my other videos. And what this functional interface implementation is doing, whatever value is coming, it scales that values and passing to collect method, and collect is creating a list, and finalize it is initializing into list of square, and we are printing. So let me show you the result also. Yeah, so every value gets scared and final list is printed. So what will happen if I did not apply this collect method? So this map method returns only a stream, and on that stream, like until we will not apply the terminal method, so this statement will not be executed. So these intermediate methods are lazy executed. So let me show you the filter method also. Here I created a filter on the same stream and I pass the condition like the values greater than 2 must be filtered, and on the resulted stream I apply the terminal method collect method, which is collecting as a list and initializing into this variable, and finally I'm printing. So if we see the result of this, yeah, so all values which are greater than 2 has been filtered. Okay guys, so I hope you understood what is the intermediate operations I shown by the animation and the code example also. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please write into the comment section. Thank you.